Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this today's live session. Today we are going to discuss English, the role of English in our career, in our life, and what are soft skills. So what is the importance of soft skills? So these things we are going to discuss now. Okay, so you know that already paper evaluation is going on, and in some subjects second year is over, physics and chemistry. Today, first year started. So second year results are first. They will be announced first. Later on, first year results with 1 week gap. First year results will be announced. Okay. So physics and chemistry today. First year started in TS. English still second year is going on. Another 4 or 5 days it will take for second year. Then first year will start. Anyhow, so in first week of June we will expect second year results. Then in second week first year results. Okay. So in AP also correction started just 3 days ago. 15th I think, 15th onwards, yeah, it started on 15th. So correction is going on there also second year is going on. Then also first they will announce second year results, afterwards first year. Okay. So what are soft skills? So soft skills means it is a vast topic. It covers so many things. Soft skills means communication skills, language skills, personal habits, emotional quotient, time management, teamwork, and leadership qualities. All these collectively they are called soft skills. So they are very important for everyone. So in our shaping our life and career also, soft skills today they are in great demand. So language is a part of soft skills. It's only a part of soft skill. Okay. So language development, language communication skills, developing our communication skills, they are part of soft skills. Soft skills means it's a broad area. So many things come under the soft skills. They come under this umbrella of soft skills. Okay. Today I posted the videos on physics and second year physics and chemistry. So next tomorrow, so I will try to post first year also, first year physics and chemistry also. Please keep watching my videos, and those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Why? Because I am spending my precious time, my valuable time, for the sake of the students, to for the beneficial of students. That's why please support me by subscribing to my channel and keep watching my videos for more updates. Parallelly, so I am posting some videos on current affairs, general issues, and English also, communication skills, and language development also. Please watch them also. Please watch those videos also. Okay. Thank you. We shall wait for some more time. Let others join. So just now I have received a message, Ramarao. Thank you, sir, for valuable information. Yeah, welcome. So you have been my admirer. So I know that you have been following my videos from the beginning continuously. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your affection also. Okay. So you're always welcome. Right. In the coming days, I am going to post the videos on interview skills also, how to face the interviews. So what are the topmost questions? So topmost questions, commonly asked questions in interviews. So how to face the interview. Already there is one video, body language. It's about body language at the interview. Please do watch the video. body language at the interview and office etiquettes also. So not only body language, so how to face the interview, how to how to give the answers to various questions, what are the frequently asked questions, what are the most commonly asked questions, so what are the mistakes we are doing these days. So all these things I am going to post in the coming days also. Please keep watching my videos continuously. Okay. So just now I have got a message from Ramarao. He has sent another message. So please keep scheme of evaluation for first year subjects. Yeah. So first year, tomorrow I am going to post chemistry and physics first of all. So the moment they start in the board, okay. So haven't it started today? Only physics and chemistry started. That's why tomorrow, okay. So I will post. I will do that tomorrow. I will do that. Okay. Physics and chemistry first year, tomorrow I will post first year key. Today I posted second year key for physics and chemistry. Ramarao has sent one more message here. Sir, are you going for intermediate correction? Yes. Yes, I have been going. I have been attending from the beginning. So 12th onwards, I have been attending the correction. Just now, I have returned just now. Yes. For the past 22 years, I have been doing the correction. Okay, thank you. Next, Syed Arbazuddin, sir, when is inter result going to announce by TSBI? Inter result going to be announced by TSBI. Yeah, second year, first week of June. First year results, second week of June. Okay, second year first week of June. Then first year, second week of June. Second year first week, first year second week. Okay, thank you. Syed Arbaz has raised one more doubt here. How is the correction going on? Sir, let me know. The correction is always student friendly, liberal only. Don't worry, liberal only. Correction is going on very liberally. It's not very strict. So those who are getting 30 marks also, for example in languages, English and second language, those who are getting 30 marks also, evaluationers are trying hard to make them pass. They are passing them. Somehow they are trying to pull them off. Okay? Yes. 30 also, we are passing them. So it is very student friendly, it is very liberal. Don't worry about it. Next, Rama Rao. Another doubt is an intermediate result date in AP. In AP also same, almost same. In AP also first week of June only. Same, similar, first week of June. First week second year, second week first year. Okay, right. Next, Malesh has sent me one doubt here. Sir, in English exam, if we write whole question and circle the right answer in odd sound, will they give marks to it? Yeah. If you circle the answer also, it will be valid. No problem. It is valid. We are giving marks. Separately you can write or you can circle the word there also. There only. Okay, there itself. It is valid. No problem. We are giving marks. No need to worry about it. Yes. Next doubt. Rama Rao. Sir, 440 is good marks for intermediate. First year, I think it is first year out of 470. So out of 470, 440 means it is a wonderful score. It is a good score. 440 means it is a good score. Yes, out of 470. Yes, first year. So he has given me the clarification first year. So 440 is a wonderful score. Correct. But improvement is there. If you are getting any less marks in any subject, please go for improvement. Improvement is the opportunity government is providing us. The government is giving us one best opportunity, one provision is there. We have to utilize it. Many students, I know many students who have increased 50 to 60 marks in improvement. That's why we should not forego it. We should be benefited by this facility provision improvement. If somebody is getting less marks in any subject, so improvement we should go for improvement. Yes. Next doubt. Somebody has sent me this doubt. So in improvement, in second time, if we get less marks, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Best of 2 they will take. So last time also I clarified this doubt. For example, in first attempt we got 90. In second attempt we got 85. So 90 will be there. We will retain 90 only. So always we are on safe side. We are on safe side always. So that's why safety is there. Best of 2 will be considered. Yes. Best of 2 will be considered. This doubt was raised by again Ramarao only. I am preparing for improvement 2 subjects, sir. If I get any one subject less marks among 2 subjects, I will write that subject improvement. Yes, you can write. The condition is one has to pass. Only for passing candidates, improvement is there. You can write all the 6 subjects. You can write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Any, as many as possible you can write. All the subjects also you can write. But one has to pass in the first attempt. Improvement is there for only passing candidates. Okay. If somebody has failed, unfortunately for him, improvement is not there. Improvement, he can't sit for improvement. Next doubt by Syed Arbazuddin. Sir, can you please make a video on how to learn English and speak English fluently without hesitation? Without hesitation, how can we learn English? How can we speak English? So to learn English and to speak English, to have a good command over the language, we need not learn all the grammar topics. Already in my previous videos, so how to learn spoken English, how to learn English quickly. So what are the ways to learn English quickly? There are some videos, okay? Please go through those videos. So all the grammar topics are not required, only articles, prepositions, be forms, tenses, question tags, voice and speech. Only 4 or 5 topics are necessary. If you are good at these 4 or 5 topics, automatically you will gain some control. You will have good command over the language. So be forms, articles, prepositions, tenses, voice and speech. These topics are enough. If you are good at these topics, definitely you will speak immaculate English. Definitely you will speak wonderful English. Okay, all the topics are not required. Only 4 or 5 topics are major. Tenses. I forgot to insert the topic tenses. That is also most important topic. Okay, articles, prepositions, tenses. I can say these three are important. These three are primary. Okay, if you are good at these three, definitely automatically you will speak wonderful English. Sami GFC has sent me one doubt. Can we learn some hard skills? So what's the meaning of hard skills? Hard skills, we don't have any hard skills. We have only soft skills. We have only soft skills. Hard skills means hardware. Hard skills. So I didn't get it. Please get back to me. So what is the meaning of the word? What is the meaning of the phrase hard skills? Please get back to me. Next doubt is, so what are the most important topics for English speaking skills? What are the important topics for speaking English course? Yeah, just now I have told B forms, am, is, are, was, were, how to use B forms. Articles, a and the, how to use articles. Prepositions, some important prepositions are there. Small words are there. In, into, on, upon, with, by, to, of, of, for, from, since, for, between, among. These are small words are there, no prepositions. How to use them, we must know. Then tenses, articles, prepositions, tenses. So these three are enough. So if you gain good command over these three, that will be enough to have a good command over the language. Okay, right. Boss, thank you, Majid sir. You are welcome. You are always welcome. Yes. One more doubt here. So you are making videos in Telugu, sir. Please make them in Hindi or English. Yeah. So the videos which are useful for intermediate students, intermediate regarding inter updates, SSC inter degree updates, I am making them in English. Only for a few videos regarding spoken English, few videos. So I am mixing the languages. So in order to enable the Telugu speaking people also, most of my students are Telugu speaking people, my colleagues are also Telugu speaking people, and of course Urdu speaking are also many are there, Hindi speaking also, Hindi mother tongue also many are there. So I am mixing. So please kindly verify, I am mixing the languages. Okay, so I am combining these three languages. Yes. Ramarao has sent me one more doubt. Sir, if I lost 4 marks in English grammar, can I get 90 marks, sir? 4 marks. 4 marks means, see, if you score 60 out of 60 in grammar, and section A also, if you wrote wonderfully, you can score 95. So 4 marks are gone. Why 4 marks are gone? In grammar you have lost 4 marks. You are losing 4 marks in grammar. So you can score 90 to 91. 90 marks you can score. If you have written section A nicely, you can score 90 marks. Okay. So you can go for a improvement, betterment. Improvement also called betterment. For failures it is called supplementary. So those who want to improve the marks, for them it is called betterment. Many are asking, so what is betterment, sir? What is supplementary, sir? Same only, that exam only. It has many names. Supplementary, advanced supplementary. betterment, improvement, all are same only, that exam only. Okay, better you go for improvement, but you prepare well. So prepare well, utilize the time. Now lot of time is there, so you prepare well now, utilize the time properly. You can score what, 94, 91, you can score 98 also, 97, 98, extraordinary marks also you can score. So why don't you prepare during this period? Now you are free now, now you are enjoying the vacation now. Okay, right, thank you. So one more doubt here. Somebody, some X channel. Please make videos on MSET tips and tricks. Yeah, I have made some videos. I have made some videos on MSET tips and tricks. 3-4 videos are there already. So how to crack NEET, how to crack MSET tips and techniques. Okay. So mock test is also there. MSET mock test. So please attend that mock test also. Once you go through that video mock test, it's very important. Okay, it will give you wonderful practice. And in the coming days also, definitely I will make videos on MSET. Yes, MSET. Yeah, one more doubt here. Could you please tell us the dates of MSET and NEET, sir? So I have posted the video. I have posted one video. NEET dates, IIT main, advanced, all the dates are mentioned. So please watch it. Okay, please watch the video. Next one doubt here sent by Faizan. So, sir, you are telling soft skills. What are soft skills? So, soft skills means communication skills plus language skills plus controlling our emotional and personal habits also, plus time management plus leadership qualities. So, all these are collectively called soft skills. Soft skills are very important. So why? Because you are, after completing your graduation and post graduation, BTech or MTech or any other degrees also, you have to work for MNCs, multinational companies. You have to work for government organizations, very big, huge organizations. So there, your body language will speak for you. Your habits will, personal traits will speak for you. That's why you must have all positive qualities. So how you are coping up with your colleagues, how you are behaving with your colleagues, how you are able to solve the problem solving, how you are able to manage the time management, all these things are covered under soft skills. Yes. Ramora has sent another doubt. Is English grammar is useful for BITSAT? Yes. English grammar is there. Complex grammar is there. Somewhat in-depth grammar is there. Okay. So what we have in intermediate is a traditional grammar. That is primary level grammar. So in-depth, secondary, advanced grammar is there. Advanced level grammar is there for BITSAT. Yes. Next doubt by him only, Ramarao only. His intermediate correction is going fast when compared to last year, sir. Yeah, it has been going very fast. Why? Because every time we correct 30 papers, but this time we are correcting 45 papers. Every time our timings are 10 to 5, but this time our timings are 8:30 to 5:30. 8:30 to 5:30. Long hours. We are working for long hours. But if you complete the work before only, you can go, but not every day. Rarely you are allowed to go by 4:30. Sometimes you can leave by 4:30, but the actual timings are 8:30 to 5:30. Long hours. So we are correcting 45 scripts every day instead of 30. 45 scripts every day, and moreover, number of centers have been increased. Number of valuationers also more. Many are attending the camp. That's why it's going on very fast when compared to previous camps. Yes. Another doubt here by Satyavati. Sir, English second year correction still how many days? English second year correction is going on now. It will last for another 4 days. Another 4 days. Okay, 4 or 5 days. Afterwards in TS. Afterwards first year will start. Okay. The moment first year starts, I will post first year scheme of valuation also, first year key also. I will post the video first year key on that day. You can watch. That is the symbol. Okay, first year started. Till then, second year will go. Indravati has sent me one doubt here. So weightage is there for all subjects. So okay, weightage means I mean to say MSET weightage. Okay, MSET weightage is there for only groups, optionals, not for languages. For languages, weightage won't be there, only for groups. Okay, maths, physics, chemistry or botany, zoology. Only for core subjects, weightage is there, and your practical marks will also be considered. They will also be considered for weightage, but language marks won't be considered for weightage. They won't be considered. Okay, thank you. Rama Rao, another doubt here. How much time is taken to correct one paper, sir? One paper means almost around 20 minutes. 20 minutes. One paper takes 20 minutes. Here the thing is, correcting the paper is very easy. Correcting the paper is just 10 minutes, matter of 10 minutes. But we have to post the marks on the OMR sheet. First question, how much is there? Second question, how much is there? We have to look inside the answer book, and we have to post them on the OMR sheet. You know the OMR sheet, no? Where you have signed, okay, invigilator has signed room number, booklet number, you have written during the exams on the exam day. So that OMR sheet, on that OMR sheet we have to post the marks, and we have to enter the marks. We have to add the marks vertically and horizontally. We have to add the marks, and we have to bubble accordingly. How you bubble for exam MSET OMR sheet, like that we have to bubble. For example, if we are scoring 95, 9 and 5, we have to bubble with pencil. Okay, with pencil, dark pencil. Okay, so 9 and 5 we have to bubble. It should be very clear, and at 2 places we have to sign, and we are given some code number, our numbers also, examiner number. Every examiner has his own number, so we have to write the examiner number at 2 places. At 2 places we have to sign. Okay, Beside that, we have to write our number also. It is a time consuming activity, very tedious activity. So every paper takes almost, one paper takes almost 20 minutes, definitely 20 minutes. So, okay, I think it is clarified. Thank you. Another doubt by Indravati here. So, if the valuationer does any mistake, what is the punishment? Punishment for the student or punishment for the valuationer? Student means, see, human errors are common. So, we are not machines. Lecturers, they may also commit mistakes, but they will check, superiors are there. So if the valuationer does any mistake, scrutinizer will check. Suppose scrutinizer also forgot, the group leader, team leader will check. Suppose he also forgot, CCO, chief coding officer, he will check it. By mistake, all these people, they have forgotten, they have, okay, so not noticed the mistake, then definitely the student will be at loss. He will be at loss. Okay, but no doubt, don't worry, he will go for the revaluation. Revaluation provision is there. If any lecturer does a mistake, he will be penalized. Penalty is there. Okay, 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, like that. Depending upon the gravity of the mistake, lecturers are penalized. Lecturers will be punished. Okay, penalty they have to pay in the form of cash. So sometimes what they earn during this period, they have to pay in the form of penalty also. That's why they are very careful, very scrupulous, and that's why they check word to word, line to line. Okay, so it will be very accurate. Next doubt is, say something about MSET dates, sir. MSET dates means already MSET dates not yet confirmed, but in the last week of June they may be conducted. Chances are there. Okay, so our state council for higher education, it will decide that date. So already I told something about the dates of MSET, NEET, JEE clearly in one of my videos. Please watch that video for the further information. For further information, please watch the video. Okay, thank you. So another doubt by Faizan. So please keep this live session in the morning hours, not in the evening hours. Okay. So our previous live session was in the morning only. Then many sent me messages. Many students sent me messages. No sir, not in the morning. Evening, you keep it in the evening. So some are requiring, so some want in the morning, some want in the evening. That's why in both the sessions I will conduct, and next live session will be in the morning hours. Okay, we will think about it. Thank you. Another doubt here, sir, if I send you messages to your personal number. Can you clarify the doubt? Okay, no problem. If it is very lengthy, so in the comment box for every video, comment box is there, no? So you are posting you are leaving your comments in the space provided over there. But if your doubt is, in case your doubt is very lengthy, very long, so my WhatsApp number is also there. You can send the query to my WhatsApp number. So whenever I am free, so definitely I will answer the query. I will answer to it. I will answer the question. Sometimes I won't notice regularly, but because of this busy schedule, okay. But definitely I will answer the question. If not the same day, next day or after 2 days also, I will definitely answer the question. Okay, thank you. Balu Smiley has sent one greeting here. Good evening, sir. Very good evening to you. Yeah. Next, just now I have received one query from Mokshajna Reddy. Sir, scheme of valuation for first year MPC TS intermediate. Yeah, just now I have told about it. So first year physics and chemistry. Tomorrow I will post it. Okay, please watch it. Okay, tomorrow I will post first year physics and chemistry. Maths also I will try. I will gather from my colleagues and I will try to post them also. Okay, thank you. Balu Smiley has sent me another message. Sir, when TS inter results? Yeah, TS inter results. Second year, June first week. First year, June second week. Okay. Second year, June first week. First year, June second week. 1 or 2 days more or less. 1 or 2 days more or less, they will be announced. Okay. Ahad has sent me one doubt here. So, is there negative marking in MSET? No. In MSET, there is no negative marking. Negative marking is not there in MSET. Negative marking is there only for central exams. It is conducted by National Testing Agency NTA. So, what are those exams? You know, IIT and NEET. For those two exams only, negative marking is there. For MSET, negative marking won't be there. So you attempt all the questions. Attempt all the questions. Balit Dhoni has sent me one doubt just now. Sir, is there any chance TS MSET will be conducted in August? A CBSE exam 1 to 15 July and JEE Mains 18 to 23 and AP MSET 27 to 30. No, not in the August. So June last week or July first week. So they have announced, no? So State Council for Higher Education, they have announced already June last week or July first week. So we shall wait and watch. So So what will happen? We shall wait and see. Okay, it will be clarified within few days. Next, Mokshajna Reddy has sent me just now. He has sent me one message. Sir, when college reopens, intermediate college for intermediate students. See, first year only in the first week of August only. First year students, freshers only in August. For second year, in June you will have online classes. You will have online classes for few days. I think for 2 weeks, maybe for 2 weeks you will have online classes. Then depending upon the situation, then they will watch the gravity of this COVID-19 effect. If it is normal conditions are there, immediately second year classes will run as usual from June second week onwards. Okay, depending upon the situation. First we will have online classes. Okay, first year nothing, not in June, not in July, only in August. In Andhra they may start in the month of September. Why? Because 10th exams are from June 10 to July 10 to July 15. July 15 exams are ending in AP, SSC exams. So 1 month, after 1 month they will have results. August 15 they will have results. So September first week their colleges start in AP, but in TS August first week first year, June first week second year, but second year June first week means for few days online classes only. Don't miss out those classes. Those classes also very important. Don't miss out the classes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Varun Teja, sir, lot of law of AP. Yeah. So both AP and TS, they are like my two eyes. Okay, two states like my two eyes. I love both the areas, both the places. Yes. Thank you. Malu Smiley has sent me just now. He has sent me one doubt. When degree colleges are open, sir, in TS, degree colleges not now, in September only. So UGC degree colleges, they have to follow UGC norms and regulations. Inter colleges are different, and degree colleges and university level, they are university level colleges. BTech, engineering, medicine, degree colleges, they have to follow UGC norms, UGC conditions. So only in the first week of September, not now. If you have classes also, maybe you will be having some online classes. In between you will be having some online classes. Please get in touch with your college people. They will inform you. Okay, you will be getting some message, SMS alerts, I think so. So please be in touch with your college people. But regular classes only from September onwards, not now, but degree. Okay, thank you. Mokshajna Reddy has sent me one doubt, sir, how many minutes they will correct one paper in TS intermediate? Language paper, just now I have told, I have clarified the doubt just now only. English paper, language, English or Sanskrit, 20 minutes, around 20 minutes. See, it depends. Suppose if a student has not written anything, only empty sheet is there, within 2-3 minutes it will be over. If the student has written full booklet is there, we have to check, obviously we have to check line to line, word to word. And some students, they don't write in the order, section A here, section B, again section A, directly section C, again coming back, section B, going forward, coming back, breaking the sections. So that will be big headache for the valuationer really. So there a lot of time will be wasted. So on an average, each script takes 20 minutes, language 20 minutes. But as far as your physics, chemistry papers are concerned, so maximum 60 marks paper, so they may take less time. Maths also 75 marks means 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Language paper 20 minutes on an average it takes normally. Okay, thank you. Vishwanath Dasika has sent me a message just now. Sir, I like your videos on English, especially about intermediate. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please keep watching my videos. Okay, thank you. Varun Reddy has sent me one message just now. Sir, today you have attended the valuation. Yes, yes. I have attended the valuation just now. I have returned. Today I have come little bit early. So I have taken permission. I have come little bit early. So from 15th onwards, 12th. 12th now we started on 12th. So almost 8 days are over. Still English second year is going on. Yes. Thank you. Amit Punia has sent me one doubt now. Can you tell me the best degree colleges in Hyderabad? Yeah, in the last session also I gave the answer for this query. Best degree colleges, Badruka is there, Jagruti is there, Badruka, Jagruti, St. Joseph's colleges, they are also good colleges. For girls we have Villa Mary and Roots College, St. Anne's for girls. For women we have Villa Mary, Roots College. Roots College is co-education, okay. St. Anne's for women, okay. These are the topmost colleges, more reputed colleges for degree, okay. Thank you. Mokshagna Reddy has sent me another doubt here, another query from him. Sir, is there any chance of portion being reduced for TS intermediate? Reducing the portion. You mean to say portion reducing as we have less working days? As of now, no, I think I can say it won't be reduced. Portion won't be reduced. As of now, there has been no decision from the government side. Portion won't be reduced. So holidays will be decreased. Working days will be. We will have more working days. Working days will be more, and exams will be conducted instead of March next year. Hopefully they will be conducted in April. Okay. So like that they will adjust. That is also too early to say. It is too early to say if virus effect is more in the coming days also. That may also take place. We can't predict. Okay, everything may take place. Everything will happen. So we don't predict. We can't predict the future. It is too early to say. Yes. But as of now, government has not taken any decision like that. They won't reduce. Why? Because if they reduce, it is a universal problem, no? So every state has to reduce. So children are appearing for national competitive exams, NEET, IIT. That's why in one state we have one chapter, in one state we have different chapter, means that will be a problem. So unless and until central government or all governments collectively they give one decision, it is too early to say. Okay, they won't reduce, in my opinion. Thank you. Balu G has sent me one doubt. Sir, what about English key? Yeah, English key for TS. I have made the videos long time ago. I posted the videos on English key, first year, second year key, both I posted, no, only for AP I posted first year English key. Okay, second year also I will post. Second year also I will post it. Thank you. Mokshagna Reddy has sent me one doubt. Sir, please keep the scheme of evaluation for the Sanskrit, English, Maths A, Maths B, Physics, Chemistry. Okay, first years. Okay, for all the subjects. So in the coming days, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will do that. So tomorrow I am going to post Physics and Chemistry, English after 2 days. The Sanskrit and remaining subjects also I will try to post in the coming days one by one. I will post because of this correction and hectic schedule, I am not finding enough time. I am struggling a lot these days. That's why whenever I am free, I will do that. Definitely, I will help you out. Yes, thank you. Vijayendra Reddy has sent one doubt here. Sir, when are you ending this session? I am going to end this session in another 15 minutes. Okay, by 6:15, 6:20, I will end the session. Okay, thank you. Faisal has sent me one query here. What is that query? So what about our scheme of evaluation? Yeah, just now I have told no scheme of evaluation one by one I am posting. I am posting the scheme of evaluation one by one. Today I posted second year Physics and Chemistry. Okay, already first year English over, I think. Means key I have made, no. So scheme of evaluation means similar to my key only. Okay, so remaining subjects I will post in the coming days. Thank you. Mokshagna Reddy, another doubt by him here. So this time the correction will be strict or loose in TS intermediate. Correction is liberal only, not strict. Correction is neither liberal nor strict. It's accurate. In somewhat we can say it is student friendly. Liberal only. Okay, liberal only. Satvik Reddy, his doubt is, so when TS inter first year intermediate results will be declared. TS first year results will be in second week of June. Okay, first year second week, second year first week. First year second week of June, 1 or 2 days more or less. Second week, yes. Dayakar has sent me this suggestion. He is giving one suggestion. Sir, I am your subscriber, I am your follower from the beginning. Please make videos on GK and current affairs. I am preparing for groups. GK and current affairs. Okay, I have to spend lot of time for that to make videos on GK and current affairs. Okay, but I will try definitely. I will try to post videos on GK and current affairs also. If many want, if students they want this topic, definitely I will help you, definitely I will post. Thank you. Balu sent me one doubt. So some mistakes are there in second year paper. They give marks or not? Mistakes means they are only minor mistakes, and what they are telling us is already they were announced in the examination halls. For example, why was Petalin excited instead of why, what was printed over there. These mistakes they were announced in the examination halls. They are very minor issues, so they are overruled. For those mistakes they are not giving marks. Only for question number 14 form filling is there. Question number 14 form filling is there. So there also branch and denomination and mobile number. They asked branch, mobile number and denomination, but they are not given in the question. So only for these 3 bits, and that also if you attempt then only they are giving. If you don't attempt, they are not giving the marks. Okay, so only for that question they are giving the marks. For other mistakes they are telling that they are minor issues, they are minor mistakes, they won't change the answer, they won't disturb the answer, no need to give the marks for that. Okay, so already yesterday I made one video. Are they giving marks for errors? Are they giving marks for errors in the papers? So I clearly discussed this point. Please watch the video. Okay, yesterday I posted the video. Thank you. Mokshagya Reddy has sent me another doubt. Sir, is there any advantage of good handwriting in Sanskrit English in TS Intermediate? Yes, definitely. In languages, not only in language, in groups also, but in languages you will have more advantage. So if you have good handwriting, it is called calligraphy. If you have good handwriting, then paper decoration is there. So if you decorate the paper and so border and neatly drawn lines, so horizontal lines after completing the answer, horizontal lines like that. So boxes, if you keep the boxes also for every answer, even for maths, physics, chemistry also, so definitely you will have good advantage. Okay, so handwriting plays main role, especially in your language. Okay, languages handwriting plays main role. It makes a difference of 4 to 5 marks definitely. So valuationer will be attracted, and he will like your paper. Instead of 90, he will give 94, 95 also, like that. So scope is there, chances are there. So advantage, you will have definitely advantage. At the same time, those who don't have good handwriting, those who have bad handwriting, definitely they will have some disadvantage. For them, disadvantage is that however good the paper is, however good the content is illegible. It can't be understood by the valuationer. Then he won't give full marks. 4 out of 4 he won't give. Instead of 4 he will give 3. He will give 2.5. He will write the comment also illegible, not clear, like that. Poor handwriting, improve your handwriting, like that. He will write the comments also. Okay, so handwriting plays definitely main role, especially in the languages. Thank you. Satvik Reddy has sent me this doubt. Sir, please upload TS first year scheme of valuation of subjects MPC. Scheme of valuation of subjects MPC. Definitely. First year hasn't it started. Today only physics chemistry started in TS. Second year is going on. That's why I haven't uploaded the second year videos. So the moment they start, I will upload one by one. Tomorrow first physics and chemistry, then one by one I will upload. Okay. Thank you. Please keep watching those videos. Okay, right. Sahan Kumar, his doubt is, sir, if I got 960 plus, can I get merit scholarship? Please say about this. 960 plus. 960 means here the thing is, whenever if you go for higher classes, for example, if you are doing your engineering, if you are doing your medicine also, okay, MPC engineering, BPC medicine, there you will get scholarships. Okay, if you go for higher education, then only you will get scholarship. Suppose somebody is idle, somebody is not studying anything, they won't get any scholarship. But you must have one income certificate also. So your father income, okay, so it should be below, I think, 1 lakh annual, like that. So annual income. So then only you will get scholarships. These days we don't have merit scholarships. Instead of those merit scholarships, we will have state government scholarships for those who have less income people. Okay, for them only it is applicable. Yes, thank you. Satvik Reddy, another doubt here by Satvik Reddy. Sir, will you go for valuation of English? Yes, I go. I have been going. I am going. Today also I went. Tomorrow also I will go. Okay. So I have been doing valuation for the past 25 years. I have been doing valuation. Okay. Every time I go. Yes. Thank you. Another doubt raised by Satvik Reddy, that is, sir, still first year valuation not yet started in TS, sir? Please reply. Yes, as far as English is concerned and Sanskrit English is concerned, not yet started. Only physics, chemistry, maths also second year is going on. Physics, chemistry only today only afternoon they started first year. Okay, remaining subjects not yet started. Still second year going on. English another 4-5 days it will take place. Remaining subjects within 2 or 3 days first year will start. Okay, thank you. Ramarao, his doubt is funny doubt here. Today how many papers got 99 marks? So in English usually you are asking about English, no? So in English usually we won't give 99, we give 98. Of course somebody got last year 99 also somewhere. 98 is the cutoff mark here. I haven't yet got. This time I haven't yet got such kind of papers. I haven't received. Okay, maximum 94. So couple of days ago 94, that was the maximum. Okay, that was the last 94 maximum. We are not getting good papers. If we get good papers, worthy papers, definitely we will give. Okay, so all, I think so. I can't say like that. I should not say like that. They are papers of some dull students, I think so. Dull students. They are struggling to pass also. Second year easy to pass, but many are struggling to pass. Just comprehension, just looking into the passage, you can write the answer. That answer also you are unable to write. Most of the students are unable to write. Okay, many are struggling. Okay, thank you. Sahan Kumar has raised a doubt here. Sir, MSET expected dates. MSET just now I told June last week or July first week. June last or July first week. Yes. Balu's doubt is, sir, for second year inter students, scholarship is depending upon marks. Depending upon marks. Second year inter students. So one national merit scholarship is there. Yes, national merit scholarship is there, but tough competition is there. A lot of competition is there. Above 95%, if you score, yes, above 95%. So your doubt is 960 plus, no, correct. Above 95%, if you score, so out of 1950 above, you may get or you may not get central level, no, central scholarship. You may get the scholarship, but if you have this income certificate, definitely you will have scholarship every year. You will get scholarship, state government scholarship. You will get, no, okay, yes. That will be better, yes. Satvik Reddy's doubt is, sir, in English, will they correct annotations and paragraph questions according to scheme of valuation, or will they correct by their own knowledge? Scheme of valuation is just for guidance. Scheme of valuation only for guidance, okay? So it doesn't have all the, I will show you in one of my videos, in the coming videos I will show you. It doesn't have full answer, only value points, only hints they will give. So if the student has covered these hints, for example, Abdul Kalam, father's name, mother's name, Rameshwaram, paper boy, eating, okay, newspaper, delivery boy. If the answer has these points, then only you give full marks. If it is not having any of these points, you deduct the marks. In that way, they will mention only key words, only value points they will give. They won't give full answer. Okay. So valuationer, so he will correct the papers on his own. So if the answer is up to the mark, if the answer has full stuff, if the answer is straight to the point, it is up to the mark, then only he will give full 4 out of 4. Okay. So nothing will be there in the valuation. Only some key points, some value points are there in the valuation. They are just like guidelines. Okay. Author's name he has to write, lesson name he has to write, he has to cover these points. In this way, they will give us some guidelines only. They won't give full answer. Okay. That is the scheme of evaluation in every subject. So for some subjects, maths, physics, chemistry, sums they will solve. So they will solve the sums. But if the student followed the another method, alternative method also, we have to give the marks only. Okay, right. Thank you. Mokshagya Reddy, sir, paper valuation of English has started in TS intermediate first year, English and Sanskrit first year. TS first year has not yet started. It hasn't yet started, still second year is going on. Another 4 or 5 days, second year, then first year will start. Okay? Right. Balu, sir, which college you are working as a teacher? I am the HOD of English for MS Junior Colleges. I work for MS Junior Colleges. In Twin Cities, we have around 10 branches. Schools are many, but colleges, 10 colleges are there, 10 branches are there. I am working as the HOD of English. Okay, thank you. Satvik Reddy's doubt is, sir, when inter-second year colleges will start? Colleges, reopening first year means only in August. First week of August for first years. Second years, first of all, they will start online classes. At least for 2 weeks, June till June second week, they will conduct some online classes. Then depending upon the situation, if the situation is normal, then they will run the regular classes by maintaining some social distance and shift wise section like that. Some rules are going to take place in near future. Okay, we will wait and see. Okay, but for few days we have to attend online classes. Please get in touch with your concerned college people. Okay, right, thank you. Mokshagya Reddy's doubt is, sir, English Sanskrit paper correction start in the TS intermediate first year. English Sanskrit first year. No, start avaledu. Not yet started. Okay. It will start in another 4-5 days. Okay. Clarified? Thank you. Next doubt by Malesh. Sir, when will first year results are going to be released in TS? Malesh, first year results will be in second week of June. 1 or 2 days, more or less. Second week of June. Second year first week. First year second week of June. Okay? Clear? Right. Motion rating, sir, confirm sir, in TS inter English and Sanskrit hasn't started. First year hasn't started. Confirm. First year hasn't started. Only second year start. Second year is going on. First year within 4-5 days. Okay. Right. Thank you. Just now I have received a message. One minute. Satvik Reddy, sir, will they give first year and second year results the same time in TS? No. Second year first, second year in first week, first year in second week of June. Okay? Right. CA, yes, and hi bro, how are you? I'm fine, brother, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Mohammed Sulaiman, Assalamu alaikum sir. Wa alaikum salam. Okay guys, I am going to end this session in another 5-10 minutes. Okay, any queries are there, please send me as early as possible. Okay, Mohammed Sulaiman. So second year result date, just now I told, no, June first week of June. Second year June first week. Okay, thank you Sulaiman. Satvik Reddy, doubt is, sir, can you upload inter second year chapters for upcoming second year students, please? Yeah, definitely. Second year English, you are asking about English? Yeah, already I posted one video on footprints in the sand, one poem. So one poem is there, footprints in the sand, very wonderful poem, beautiful poem. Already I think 20 days ago, I think so, I posted the video on the poem. That will help you. Anyhow, you are going to have online classes for few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. So you can enjoy the poem online also. So please go through the video, and I will make the videos one by one. So lesson by lesson I will make. Definitely. So it's on my mind. Definitely I will do that. Yes. Thank you for your suggestion. Mohammed Sulaiman, thank you so much, sir. Yeah, you are welcome. Okay. Thank you very much for your affection also. Satvik Reddy. Sir, thank you so much, sir. You're always welcome. It's my duty, it's my pleasure. So we are here to help you always. Always in the service of students and lecturers. Okay? Thank you very much. Another 5 minutes, 3-4 minutes. So I will call off. I will wind up this session. Okay guys, I hope that so I am about to wind up the session. Just now I have received one doubt from Mohammed Suleiman. Sir, how was the lockdown? How was its effect on education? Yes, so definitely it will have impact. So everything has been disturbed, no? So that's why definitely it will have the impact. It will take time to bring the normalcy. So it will take, definitely it will take time. Satvik Reddy, sir, please can you stay for 5 minutes? Okay. So yeah, I will stay for 5 minutes, more 5 minutes. Any more doubts you have? So one more doubt regarding lockdown. Lockdown till how long, sir? Lockdown, how long, sir? See, we are not discussing the political issues here. So here we are discussing only education updates regarding SSC, inter, degree. Okay, lockdown means depends upon the situation. It depends upon the cases also. Okay, if the cases are less, definitely after 31st we don't have lockdown. But if the cases are many, if the situation is not improving, again in the month of June also we will have lockdown. But many shops are open today onwards. So much of flexibility is given, no? So many relaxations are given. So almost, I think I can say it is over. Only night curfew is there. Almost it is over. Some restrictions are there. We have to follow. So the government says that everyone has to take precautions. Everyone has to take precautions. Don't think that lockdown is over. The virus is over. No, lockdown is over, but virus is not over. It is not over. We have to take precautions. Everybody is responsible. Okay? Yes, thank you. Satvik Reddy's doubt is for sure no. Please upload second year English topics. Yeah, definitely. Second year English topics I will definitely upload. Already one poem was over. Lesson by lesson I will upload in the coming days. I will do that definitely. Don't worry about it. Okay? Thank you. MD for Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay? So he has sent me the greetings. Thank you. Umar Suleiman. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for live. You are welcome. You are welcome. So in this way, so we have come to the end of today's session. Okay. So we will call it a day. Thank you very much, one and all, for giving your suggestions and for sending your queries, for responding to my live session, for coming to my live session. So I always look forward to your cooperation in the coming days also. Looking forward to see you very soon. We will have many more live sessions in the coming days also. After 4 or 5 days, in another 4 or 5 days, Next time we will have live session in the morning times. Okay, definitely we will have another live session after 4 or 5 days. Next time we will have in the morning. Okay, Satvik Reddy has sent me this doubt. So last moment he has sent me doubt. So this year will board announce results without mistakes in TS. Hopefully there will be no mistakes. Okay, so e-governance, the software was changed. So board is taking a lot of care. Okay, so scrupulously without any mistakes. Definitely there won't be any mistakes in TS. Be optimistic. Okay, nothing will happen. Everything will go up very well. There will be no mistakes. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of this live session. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, one and all, for coming to this live. So I hope that in the coming days also you will show the similar cooperation to me. Thank you very much. Good night.